Alright you guys, now we're going to unbox the OtterBox Defender Series for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna try to make this quick as well. I searched up if there's any videos on this box. Yeah, there's a few. I think like one or two. I'm not sure, don't quote me on it. Here it is. It's attached to this. I don't know if you care or not. Just limited warranty paper inside. But yeah, let's put that inside. Inside it shows 5G compatible material. It reads 5G connection strength depends on many variables. Maximum performance requires unobstructed antennas. See carrier for network availability. It shows 4 times tested for military standard in terms of drop testing and lasting antimicrobial case protection. Wireless charging compatible. As we know, the iPhone has MagSafe charging in the back now, so it does still charge whenever you attach the MagSafe charger. I personally don't want the MagSafe charger. I'm not into it, so I didn't get it. But yeah, now you know that. Let's set this aside. All right, so the case is here. I believe this area where the camera is about the same size as the iPhone 11 Pro Max case. I'm not sure, but I know the width and all that type of stuff is different because the iPhone 11 Pro Max Defender Pro OtterBox does not fit on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I looked that up to make sure, because I kind of didn't really even want to buy a new case, but apparently that case doesn't fit on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So here it is in its entirety. You have the belt strap, so you can put it on your belt. I don't use this, so I'm just gonna toss this. And I'm gonna bring in the iPhone to put it inside the case. So let's get to that. Let's tear this case apart and put in the iPhone. Say bye to a naked iPhone. In. And excuse this is my monitor. I'm doing this in front of my monitor. And we put it inside the little rubber thing. Close this. Boom, sealed. Feels less heavy. Personally, for me, it feels less heavy than the iPhone 11 Pro Max because the case for that one is kind of thicker. This one seems thinner. Feels great. Feels better than the 11, I'll tell you that, Pro Max. But yeah, here it is, the case with the iPhone 12 Pro Max on it. Sides, back, other side, front. Still haven't set up the iPhone, going to do that. But yeah, you guys came here to see the case anyways. And here it is in its entirety. No difference, no changes on the case besides, you know, the size of the iPhone. No front cover like other years. It's just your screen, your regular screen on there. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll come up with more videos in the future, guys. Thanks.